Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been extremely inconsistent with my videos, but in 2025 I promised myself to be more regular with my videos. Before the year ends, I thought why not, let's just start with at least one video. And by now I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail and you're already aware. This video is all about what's in my hospital bag. I am 36 weeks pregnant currently, so I thought this is the best time to start packing my hospital bag. From the hospital that I would be admitted to, they've already provided a standard checklist of things that I'm supposed to carry, and at the same time I have also consumed a lot of videos, I think, online, trying to see that I have everything that I actually need, so that there is no last moment hassle for me or my family. So yeah, I mean, from all of those videos that I have consumed online, and plus the basic standard checklist that my hospital has provided, I have curated this video for you and tried to keep it as real as possible. Without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. First and the most important item that you should be carrying in your hospital bag is your medical records. So whatever sonography and treatment or anything that you've been going through all this while, you need to ensure that you have all of that in place in a file with you, which I've already prepared and kind of kept, because sometimes I've done sonography from outside and not the actual treating hospitals, depending on my convenience. So making sure that everything is in one place so that it's easy for the doctor to refer to if they have to. Also, please do carry the list of all the medicines that you have been taking all this while, along with your blood test reports or anything related to your health checkup that has happened in these 9 months for you. Then comes your medicines that your doctor has advised you to continue. These are mainly Shemayan and other vitamin medicines that is ongoing at this point in time, and is usually suggested even after your delivery. So ensure that you have those, and please check with your doctor if there's anything that you need to carry apart from what has been your regular medicine so far. So your doctor is anyway going to guide it. Just make sure that you're carrying them with you. Then the most important thing is your insurance documents. Make sure you have the insurance card. If it's your company's, you need to have your employee ID, your office email address and everything handy, so that if you are not in the right state, then your husband or whoever is accompanying you in the hospital can have easy access to those information. Make sure you intimate, so draft an email, because usually जब आप कंपनी के इंश्योरेंस अवेल करते हो तो आपको इंश्योरेंस कंपनी को इंटिमेट करना पड़ता है ऑफिशियल ईमेल एड्रेस से. So make sure you keep a draft of your email ready to your insurance company, and just hit the send button the day you want to get admitted. I think that serves very helpful, क्योंकि वो टाइम पे आपको याद नहीं रहता कुछ भी चीज़ें. Now coming to things that I've packed in my hospital bag. The first one is the Ever Eve Ultra Absorbent Disposable Period Panties. These are for heavy flow right after your delivery. So you don't need an additional panty to fix this. And they come in 10 pieces. I'm going to link all the products in the description box. All the products that I would be showing in today's video are well researched, so that you don't waste as much as time that I did finding out what is best needed for me during this time. Okay, next up I have is these Abina maternity premium pads. These are also high absorbent, and I think this is a set of 15. These are very heavy flow absorbent pads, but yes, for these you need panties. Unlike the one that I showed you, those comes with disposable panties altogether. So I've kept both the options ready, and of course again I'm not going to carry all 15, just a couple of it, and then if needed I will keep the rest in the car. Again, this is one of the most highly recommended product on internet, and if you want to go and search for yourself, you can do that as well. But I'm going to anyway, like I mentioned, link down all the products for you for your easy reference. Next up, I needed few pouches to pack. I can pack my medicines if needed, my toiletries, or anything related to the baby. I can just pack them and segregate them to keep it easy for somebody else also to find it on my behalf if they have to. Okay, next up is a maternity bra. Now, a lot of people had different opinions. A lot of them said it's not really useful. Some of them said it is very, very useful. So I said, okay, let's just carry just one in case required. And this is what I have purchased for myself. It's very soft. It is slightly padded, and if need be I can remove it as well. And while feeding, you just have to unlock it from here, and once done you can just clip this back. Next up is this Little's baby wipe, and these come in set of 3. Set has 80 wipes. Wet wipes, I can't just emphasize on the importance of it during this time, so I bought a set of 3. Again, highly recommended brand, and these are alcohol free, paraben free, dermatologically tested, and has pH balance as well. And this is something that can be used for both mother and baby, so I'm going to save space as well. And it comes with aloe vera, with vitamin E and jojoba oil, so I think it's all goodness in one pack. Next product is Love Labs Premium Muslin Baby Washcloth. You also need a lot of wipes for the baby. These are muslin and super soft cloths, which can be used to wipe or clean the baby. This is again very, very important because आप बेबी को नहला नहीं सकते हो, तो आपके पास कपड़ा होना चाहिए जिसे आप स्पंज वगैरह जो भी करना है आप कर सकते हो. The next thing that we have is Mimi's Advanced Absorbent Disposable Nursing Breast Pad to avoid any kind of leakage, spillage. You can use them. These are use and throw and comes in a pack of 24 pieces. Again, these are super absorbent, and it claims to give you protection overnight from any kind of leakage, and it is pure cotton, hence extremely soft and breathable. Next we have is these beads, which comes in a set of 1 2 3 4 5 6, I think set of 6, again from Amazon. And these are again useful when you're feeding the baby, so that you just put it around their neck and to avoid any spillage of milk all over the. Again, very important is you wash them in lukewarm Dettol water before you carry them to your hospital. Next up is this set of 3 burp cloth. We've already washed these because they've arrived really early, and in Dettol all you have to do is just put it here and then make your baby kind of burp so that it doesn't spill all over your clothes. Okay, next up is this super cute blanket, baby blanket, which is very important again because it's cold and you need the baby to feel cozy. Next up we have the set of 3 swaddles, which is used to wrap the baby tightly because it kind of make them feel safe, comfortable, and they still feel that they are inside the womb of the mother. And इससे बच्चे को नींद भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से आती है, ऐसा मैंने सुना है. तो ये set of 3 है जो ऑलरेडी धुल चुका है. मैंने एक set of 6 मसलिन क्लॉथ का भी ऑर्डर किया हुआ है Amazon से, which I'm going to link down below, which is currently in washing, so I do not have that handy, but product मैं of course link कर दूँगी. So yeah, मैं currently सिर्फ 3 ही कैरी करने वाली हूँ. Next up are these cotton झपला बोलते हैं शायद इनको, भाई यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज है बिकॉज हमारे में ऐसा कहते हैं कि बेबी होने से पहले यूजुअली हम नहीं कुछ शॉप करते हैं. तो मेरे पास अब बहुत कम बेबी के आउटफिट्स आप देखोगे, बिकॉज मैंने जो जितना चाहिए उतना ही मैंने लिया है, एक्सेस मैंने बेबी के लिए कुछ भी नहीं लिया है। तो ये यूजुअली आपके रिलेटिव्स वगैरह अगर कोई रहते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि उन्होंने पहनाया हुआ, उनके बच्चे के लिए पहनाया हुआ कपड़े भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट मत नया खरीदो। अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डोंट हैव रिलेटिव्स इन Pune, so therefore we had to purchase. So these are like set of 3. ये फ्रंट ओपन है और ये इजीली आप बच्चे को पहना सकते हो। सेकेंडली मैंने सोचा कि वापस मिटन्स वगैरह ना खरीदना पड़े, इसकी वजह से इसके स्लीव्स में ही मिटन्स का काम करता है। लाइक आप हाथ डालने के बाद यू कैन जस्ट फोल्ड इट लाइक दिस, बिकॉज ऐसे तो बच्चे मिटन्स पहनना नहीं चाहते हैं। और लाइक आई सेड, मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ खरीदा नहीं है पहले से, ऑब्वियसली धीरे धीरे बाद में खरीदेंगे। सो दिस इज़ अ सेट ऑफ 3 दैट आई टेकन। यूजुअली नीचे तो बेबीज़ डाइपर पहनते हैं और स्वॉडल से रैप होते हैं, बट अगर मुझे लगा कि एक लोअर की ज़रूरत हो सकती है, तो मैंने एक छोटू सा ऐसे क्यूट सा पैंट लिया हुआ है जो मैं किसी के साथ भी पहना सकती हूँ। और हॉस्पिटल के चेकलिस्ट में स्वेटर मेंशन था, बिकॉज माय बेबी इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ जैन बॉर्न बेबी। ठंड है तो एक स्वेटर कैरी करने बोला था। सो गॉट दिस स्वेटर। ये आई थिंक वीडियो इज़ नॉट जस्टिफाइंग इट, बट दिस इज़ सो सॉफ्ट। ये सारे जो मैंने अभी तक दिखाया है सारे वॉश हो चुके हैं डेटॉल से। इसके साथ एक कैप भी आता है एंड 2 छोटे छोटे बूटीज़, आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट इट इज़ कॉल्ड, ऐसे आता है। तो ये मैंने एक सेट लेके रखा है बिकॉज वी वर आस्क्ड टू। नेक्स्ट अप इज दिस लव लैब अगेन फीडिंग बॉटल। ये सेट ऑफ 2 में आता है। मैंने एक लेके रखा है। आई एम नॉट श्योर 3 दिन के बेबी को फीडिंग बॉटल दे सकते हैं कि नहीं, बट जस्ट इन केस कुछ लैचिंग में प्रॉब्लम हो या फिर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, सो आई जस्ट कैरीड इट फॉर द सेफर साइड। एक ही कैरी करने वाली हूँ, सेट ऑफ 2 में आता है ये। सो आफ्टर डिलीवरी ये कहते हैं कि आप अपने हेड और ईयर्स और ये सब कवर किया करो अच्छे से। तो मैंने मेरे लिए एक हेड कैप लिया हुआ है। ये दिस इज़ लाइक अ स्कल कैप, क्योंकि मुझे ना बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल सी फील होती है कान में कॉटन वगैरह डाल के रखना। इट्स बेटर दैट थोड़ा सा स्टाइलिश भी है। इट लुक्स लाइक अ बंडाना। यू कैन यूज़ इट एज अ हेयर बैंड, यू कैन यूज़ इट एज अ हेड बैंड, यू कैन यूज़ इट एज अ मफलर, एनीथिंग ऑन दोज लाइन्स। मैंने ये कैरी किया है बिकॉज एसी भी रहेगी तो फिर ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब पूरा टोटल हेड भी अगर मुझे कवर करना हो तो मैं इससे कर सकती हूँ। देन आफ्टर गिविंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट मैंने सोचा कि मटर्निटी गाउन्स वगैरह में वेस्ट नहीं करना है पैसा, बिकॉज इवन ड्यूरिंग माई एंटायर 9 months ऑफ मटर्निटी जर्नी आई रियली हैव नॉट इन्वेस्टेड अ सिंगल मनी ऑन मटर्निटी क्लोथ्स, बिकॉज एक तो घर से काम था, हार्डली मैं ऑफिस जाती थी। हाइब्रिड ऑप्शन मेरे पास था, ऑफ कोर्स अगर जिनके पास नहीं होता है उनके लिए अलग है, बट मैं घर पे थी। तो इफ़ आई एम स्टेइंग एट होम आई just wore my loose t-shirts and stuff like that, and I felt it's unnecessary to waste money on such clothing items which I am definitely not going to use in the long run. So similarly, I didn't want to invest on maternity gowns. So instead what I did is I ordered those front open night suits, just like these are the night suits that I ordered. Set of 3 order किया है मैंने ताकि मैं ऑल्टरनेटिवली पहन सकूं। एंड मैंने ये ऑर्डर करते वक्त सिर्फ साइज़ अप किया है ताकि नीचे का जो पैंट है वो काफ़ी लूज़ हो, एंड मैं वैसे भी उसको वेदर इट्स अ नॉर्मल डिलीवरी और अ सी सेक्शन डिलीवरी मैं उसको और थोड़ा ऊपर से पहन सकूं, इसलिए मैंने साइज़ अप किया है अकॉर्डिंगली। एंड आई थिंक आफ्टर द maternity phase also, when you actually start coming back to your own shape, I can just slightly need to get them altered and I can use them unlike any other maternity gown. So this is what I have done. Currently they've gone for washing, therefore I've just linked the products below in the description box. Next product which is recommended all over the internet is a Good Nipple cream, but I think I am going to instead use a bottle of coconut oil along with a tub of Vaseline if need be, because the intention is to keep that area highly moisturized and avoid any cracks, to avoid any kind of pain. And I think there is no better alternative than a good coconut oil. To be very honest, I've used it throughout my pregnancy, and fortunately I do not have a single stretch mark till date. So I think बहुत सारे आपको ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. आपको अगर लगता है नहीं, आई वांट गो फॉर फैंसी आइटम्स, यू कैन डेफिनेटली, बट फॉर मी आई एम गोइंग टू कैरी a good big bottle of coconut oil with me along with a Vaseline tub. Okay, next I have is this baby carrying nest. So this we will use while bringing the baby home. Yeah, I mean this is how cute it looks. This is yellow color. Again, I've not kept it restricted it to pink and blue because I'm not sure what it's going to be, so I wanted to buy a safe color. Alright, lastly, all you need is a good homecoming outfit for yourself and your baby. I have ordered both from H&M. These are the two that I've ordered, but अभी तक order deliver हुआ नहीं है जिस दिन मैं ये video shoot कर रही हूँ. But I'm going to link the product below again. You can check for yourself, just wear whatever makes you feel comfortable. Yeah, on that note, I think we've come to an end of this video. I would suggest that try and not पैनिक. ओके, कुछ ना कुछ छूट जाएगा. ऑब्वियसली आपके रिलेटिव्स या आपके हस्बैंड या कोई भी आपके साथ होगा वो उस चीज़ को फुलफिल कर लेगा. आप स्ट्रेस बिल्कुल मत लेना. जितना जल्दी हो सकता है अपना हॉस्पिटल बैग वगैरह सब पैक करके रेडी रख दो. जितना हो सकता है आपसे आप वो करो. जो आपके हाथ में है एटलीस्ट उतना फुलफिल करो. जो आपके हाथ में नहीं है उसका बेकार टेंशन मत लो. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल दैट मैटर्स, दैट यू नीड दिस जर्नी टू बी as stress free as possible. So yeah, on that note guys, we've come to an end of this video today. I hope you like this video. Please drop me a comment in case you find this helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.